anything. You know, in Ramadan, I shared a joke, and I need to share it with all of you. That reminds me of this Muslim guy. He had a Jewish boss. So he went to the boss, and he said, "Boss, I want a day off tomorrow to go to my uncle's funeral." Boss said, "But he wouldn't know if you came or you didn't come." He said, "No. In Islam, the man will know who is there and who is not there. He comes around and he looks to see who is around and who is not around." He's telling the Jewish boss that. The Jewish boss, "Oh, okay, all right, so you go ahead, take the day off." The guy went. Next day, the man came back, the Muslim guy, and the boss said, "I believe you. The dead does come alive." And the Muslim worker said, "What do you mean? You did not believe yesterday? Why, how come you believe today?" He said, "Because when you went yesterday, your uncle came looking for you. So the dead came here, even came here looking for you. Because he knew the Muslim guy lied. His uncle didn't die. He only lied that he was going to a funeral." So don't do that, please. Don't lie that you're sick and you don't have money and things are bad and business going bad. It will really go bad.